What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time here, and I'm back with another video. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S8 Orchid Gray, and this one right here is a really solid phone. I've had the S8. I had it right before I started the channel. I made maybe 1 or 2 videos about some cases and stuff, maybe a 6-month review. But the S8 is a great phone. We're coming up on February 25th where the S9 will be unveiled, so I brought this in to get the channel prepped, get back on the Samsung trend, and get ready for the S9 or the S9 Plus, depending on what I bring in. So let's take a look at the style of the boxing. I expect to see similar boxing with the S9. You have a nice black box, has all your specs on it, which this one everybody knows: 5.8-inch screen, 12 megapixels camera, dual pixel autofocus, 8 megapixel front facing, IP68 dust and water resistant, iris scanner, 64 gigs of onboard memory with micro SD card, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Also fast wireless charging. So this thing is a beast. One of the nicest phones out this year. Cut this open. Pop this baby open like so. And there it is. Unveil a beautiful cell phone. I've yet to have this color. It's really nice. It's like a gray with a purplish bluish tint to it. Really nice. I had the black one before. The black one was really prone to scratches, so hopefully this one is not as scratch prone, but I throw a case on it anyways. Let's take a look at the phone itself. You have your sensors up at the top, your camera, your iris sensor, your speaker, and your front other sensors that you have for the front facial detection. You have your earpiece up here. Down the bottom you have a beautiful headphone jack that most phones don't have nowadays, a single firing speaker, USB Type-C, a microphone. Up here you have a noise canceling microphone and your micro and SIM card slot. On this side you have your Bixby button and your volume rocker. On this side you have your power button. On the back you have your 12 megapixel camera, your heart rate sensor, and your flash heart rate sensor. That is a huge thing. Not too many people pay attention to it, but I think that's pretty big. You know, you normally don't get that feature unless you have some kind of a smartwatch, but you have that built into your phone at all times. Here is the fingerprint scanner that took so much slack when this phone first came out. For me personally, it's not a big deal. I can reach it no problem. When I use a case, which I do, it is no issue. The new fingerprint sensor on the S9 is rumored to be down here below the camera, and from what I've seen, it's very close to the camera. So if people had complained about this, they will complain about this new positioning of it down here, because if you slightly miss, you will be smudging up the fingerprint. So that was a big, smudging up the camera, and that was a big thing with people complaining about. So I expect to see the same complaints this year. For me, it doesn't bother me here, it doesn't bother me there. It is a little bit more difficult to touch because it's pretty flush mount, but with a case, it's no big deal. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. We'll get into the rest of the stuff. With T-Mobile, you get a SIM, and we'll pop the rest of this stuff out. This is your paperwork and your SIM ejection tool. Don't really need that too much. You have your black wireless charging brick, fast charging. Right here, you have your USB connector. Right there, USB Type A to Type C connector. That is really good to have, and a nice feature that they throw in the box. Let's flip this baby around. Right here, you have a micro USB to USB Type C adapter. That is also great because now you can use your old charging cables that you have. A lot of things that other companies don't put in the box, Samsung does. This is one of them right here. You have headphones. Tuned by AKG. When they first came out, they're rumored to be made by AKG, but they are Samsung headphones tuned by AKG. These are really nice sounding headphones. They have a braided cable and they're really stylish. They fit well. Some of my favorite headphones that ever come in a box. Most companies don't even give you headphones nowadays, so this is great. And you also have your black USB Type-C cable. I like it that it comes in black. To me, that's nice. It matches the colors of the style that they're going to. And then you have some earbud adapters right here. Depending on the size you want, you can switch them out. So that is about it for the unboxing. I expect to see a very, very similar unboxing with the Galaxy S9. So I figured I would refresh you guys on what an S8 unboxing looks like. This is expected to be a color, the Orchid Gray, the black, and now there should be a new purplish color from what I've seen from cases and leaks. So we expect to see some sort of a purple color. That would be pretty cool. I probably won't go for something like that, but you never know. So this is a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S8. I know you guys have seen a bunch of them. Like I said, I just want to get you guys ready for the S9 and get you guys primed on how Samsung does things. And you know what? They give you a great unboxing experience with everything you should get in a phone box. From headphones to USB Type-C cables to adapters from micro USB to Type-C. Everything you could ask for, you get right here. Alrighty guys, like I said, that was a quick unboxing. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to keep up on the latest videos that I drop. I'm dropping videos all the time, at least weekly, and get ready because in the next month and a half, I will have the Samsung Galaxy S9 on deck. Catch you guys later. Peace.